Sawadee-ka, Soul Foodies. I'm Chef Nikki, and today we are diving into the delicious world of Pad See Ew, a Thai noodle classic that's all about sweet, savory, and smoky flavors. Let's tie things up. Pad See Ew is a popular Thai noodle dish whose name directly translates from the Thai to English. The word pad is stir fry, and the word see ew literally is soy sauce. So together, pad see ew is stir fry with soy sauce. This recipe has less than 10 ingredients, and you can make it in less than 5 steps. I prefer using fresh rice noodles, sen yai, but you can also use dry noodles or even pasta. This recipe also includes broccoli and bok choy. But if you can get a hold of Chinese broccoli, pak kana, that's the OG. First up, soak your noodles if they're dry in warm water. For fresh noodles, microwave them for about a minute if they're a little hard. Then, cut them into 2-inch wide pieces and peel them apart to loosen the noodles. Slice your chicken thinly and cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Then we're gonna separate the bok choy leaves. Prep is the most important thing when we're stir frying, so now that we're ready, let's get walking. Heat a neutral oil in a medium nonstick wok or skillet to a medium-high heat to start. Add chicken and stir fry until fully cooked, then move it to the side of the pan. Crack in the eggs and scramble it on the empty side. Then add in the garlic and cook until fragrant, about 10 seconds. Next, we're going to add fresh noodles, broccoli, bok choy, and my black soy sauce. You'll want to toss the noodles for about 3 to 5 minutes and make sure it's nicely coated. You can combine oyster sauce, white soy, black soy, and sugar to make this sauce, but if you want a fast and easier way, you can just use my black soy. You can serve pad see ew right out of the wok, and like all Thais, we will start to season this with the Thai condiment tray, or the keung prung. It is 4 little containers consisting of sugar, Thai dried chili flakes or powder, pickled jalapenos in vinegar, and fish sauce with sliced Thai chilies. Serve the pad see ew with the condiment tray and let them go to town with it. I love to add chili flakes and the vinegar to my pad see ew, so it really completes that sweet, sour, spicy, salty flavor profile. I am so excited for this bite. It's so good. So the black soy, it has like the smoky, sweet, salty flavor, and then when I hit it with the chili and the vinegar, it's like perfection. So good. Cooking Thai food at home is so fun. For more recipes, check out my cookbook, Thai Food and Travel with Chef Nikki. Easy Thai recipes to feed your soul. Available on my website at chefnikki.com. And also on my website, you can get tips, tricks, and tales from my kitchen to yours. Don't forget to hit like, share the joy, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Thank you for watching me make this wok-tossed black soy rice noodle or pad see ew. I use fresh rice noodles, but you really can use anything you have. Egg noodles, spaghetti, pappardelle. Let me know in the comments what you use. Until next time, stay curious and keep cooking. ขอบคุณค่ะ